cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get a taste of it, you lay all them bricks. Higher and higher, you'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. And when they do, they'll cherish you. And when they do, they'll cherish you. Yes, when they do, they'll cherish you. When they do, they'll cherish you. Put some color on those cheekbones. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get a taste of it, you lay all them bricks. Higher and higher, you'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. And when they do, they'll cherish you. And when they do, they'll cherish you. Yes, when they do, they'll cherish you. When they do, they'll cherish you.